Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the numerical problems based on mole concept. But before starting the numerical problems, the formulas which we are going to use for solving these numerical problems, we will first see those formulas. And these are the important formulas to solve the numericals related to mole concept. So first formula, that is number of moles. If the numerical is having mass of element and molar mass given to you, then the number of moles of the substance will be calculated by using mass of element upon molar mass. This formula we are going to use. So, number of moles is equal to mass of element upon molar mass. Mass of element is denoted with small m, molar mass is denoted with the capital M. So, our formula will be N is equal to m upon n. Right? Mass of element with small m, molar mass with capital M. Now, instead of that, if the numerical problem has number of atoms given and Avogadro number is given, then number of moles can be calculated by using this formula, given number of atoms divided by Avogadro number of atoms. So, N upon Na. Na is the Avogadro number, N is the given number of atoms. So, number of moles small n is equal to capital N upon Na. Now the third thing, 1 mole of an element, always do remember, it is the gram atomic mass of element. 1 mole of an element is equal to gram atomic mass of an element, and 1 mole of compound is the gram molecular mass of compound. So these are some important formulas which we are going to use in the numerical problems. Now students, see the numerical problem. Calculate the number of moles of 52 gram of helium. Atomic mass of helium is equal to 4U. So our information is that atomic mass of helium is 4U. And we have to calculate the number of moles of 52 gram of helium. Now here we are going to use the relation that 1 mole of element is the gram atomic mass of that element. So 1 mole of He is equal to gram atomic mass of He. 1 mole of helium is the gram atomic mass of He, that is equal to 4 gram. So, 4 gram is equal to 1 mole. Then 52 gram is equal to X mole. Now we have to calculate the value of X by doing cross multiplication. So, X multiplied by 4 and 52 multiplied by 1. So, 1 multiplied by 52. When X value we have to count, then X is equal to 1 multiplied by 52 upon 4. Dividing 52 by 4, our answer will be 13, right? So 52 gram of He is equal to 13 moles of He. Now see the second numerical problem. What is the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atoms? And atomic mass of aluminium is equal to 27U. Now the solution, we are going to start with atomic mass of aluminium. Atomic mass of aluminium is equal to 27U. Now we have to convert it into molar mass. So molar mass of aluminium is equal to 27 gram. Now whatever quantity is given, that are molar mass of aluminium, number of moles of aluminium. Molar mass of aluminium is 27 gram, number of moles of aluminium are 4 moles. Here we are going to use the formula small n is equal to small m upon capital M. As we have to calculate mass of aluminium atoms in 4 moles. So small m we have to calculate. Putting those values, n is equal to 4, capital M is equal to 27. So 4 is equal to small m upon 27. Therefore, m is equal to 4 into 27 and m is equal to 108 gram. Mass of 4 moles of aluminium is equal to 108 gram. Student, always do remember to write the units in the proper manner whenever you are getting the answers. Now see the next numerical problem. Convert 20 gram of water in moles. Now we have to convert 20 gram of water in moles. We know the given mass of water is 20 grams. So small m is equal to 20 gram. Capital M, that is molar mass of water, is equal to 18 gram, because we know that molecular mass of water is 18U. If this is expressed in gram, then it is 18 gram. So molar mass of water is 18 gram. Now 18 gram of water is equal to 1 mole, because it is molar mass of water is equal to 18 gram. The meaning is that 1 mole of water, that is equal to 18 gram of water. So here 18 gram of H2O, that is equal to 1 mole of H2O. We have got 20 gram of H2O. Then 20 gram of H2O, that is 20 gram of water, is equal to X mole. To find out the value of X, we have to do cross multiplication, and our answer will be 20 multiplied by 1 upon 18. It is divided by 2, so 2 tens are 20, 2 nines are 18. 10 upon 9 is equal to 1.11 moles. Therefore, 20 gram of H2O is equal to 1.11 moles. Now, the next numerical problem. What is the mass of 10 moles of sodium sulfite? It is actually sodium sulfite. The formula is given Na2SO3. So, we are going to calculate first molecular mass of Na2SO3, that is sodium sulfides. Sodium is having atomic mass 23, sulfur is having atomic mass 32, oxygen is having atomic mass 16. So, 23 multiplied by 2 plus 32 plus 3 multiplied by 16. So, 46 plus 32 plus 48, our answer is 126 U. Now, if this mass is converted into grams, then it is molar mass of Na2SO3, that is equal to 126 gram. So, now what is given in the numerical problem? Numerical problem has given us N is equal to 10 moles and given the molecular formula. So, from that we have calculated molar mass. So, molar mass capital M is obtained at 126 gram. So, we are going to use the formula N is equal to small m upon capital M. Therefore, small m is equal to N into capital M. N is equal to 10, capital M is 126. So, 10 multiplied by 126 is equal to 1260 gram. Thus, we have calculated mass of 10 moles of sodium sulfide is equal to 1260 gram. Now see next numerical problem, students. Calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of nitrogen. You have to calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen atom, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms and is equal to 14 gram. So that is equal to molar mass of nitrogen. Molar mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 gram and molar mass of nitrogen is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms mass. That is why 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms is equal to 14 gram. Now we have to calculate mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to 23. So 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 atoms will have x gram mass. Again we will do cross multiplication. So x is equal to 14 into 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 10 raised to 23, 10 raised to 23 numerator and denominator will be cancelled. 3.011 can divide to 6.022. So 1 and it is divided to 6.022. So it is 3.011 2s are 6.022. Therefore, final answer will be 14 by 2 and 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 gram. Therefore, mass of 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of nitrogen will have mass 7 gram. Now see the next numerical problem. Calculate the number of molecules of sulfur, that is S8. Molecular formula of sulfur is S8 present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. The mass of sulfur is given 16 gram. Now we have to calculate molar mass of sulfur molecule, that is S8 molecule. Now one sulfur atom is having atomic mass 32. Now here formula shows it is S8, means 8 atoms are joined to form the sulfur molecule. So 8 multiplied by 32 is equal to 256 gram. Now 256 gram of S8, that is the molar mass of S8, is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So 1 mole of S8 is equal to 256 gram is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Now we have to calculate number of molecules in 16 gram of sulfur. So 16 gram of acid is equal to X molecule. Therefore, again doing cross multiplication, X is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 16 upon 256. When we are going to do this division multiplication all, the sum gives you the answer 0.376 into 10 raised to 23. Now we are going to shift this decimal point after 3. So one place we are moving to right hand side. So we have to multiply 3.76 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to 23 as it is. Now we are going to do the subtraction of the exponent. So final answer will be 3.76 into 10 raised to 22 molecules. Thus 16 gram of sulfur contains 3.76 into 10 raised to 22 molecules. We will see the next numerical problem. Now see the next numerical problem, student, that calculate the number of aluminum ions present in 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide formula is given Al2O3. Now we have to calculate molar mass of aluminum oxide. So molar mass of aluminum oxide, here 2 atoms of aluminum and 3 atoms of oxygen. So 2 multiplied by 27. 27 is the atomic mass of aluminum. Plus 3 multiplied by 16. 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So 54 plus 48 is equal to 102 gram. So here molar mass of Al2O3 is 102 gram. Now 102 gram of Al2O3 contains how many aluminum ions? That we have to find out. So it is having 2 aluminum atoms. So 2 multiplied by 27 gram of aluminum ions. See, ions mass and atomic mass will be remaining same. Because when ions are formed, atoms only loses electron. Not the proton is lost. Therefore, atomic mass will remain same. Here, so 2 multiplied by 27 gram aluminum ions are present in 102 gram of aluminum oxide. 27 gram is the molar mass of aluminum. Therefore, we can say 2 into 1 mole of aluminum ions are present in 102 gram of Al2O3. 102 gram of Al2O3 contains 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 ions of Al3 plus, because 27 gram is the molar mass of aluminum ion. Molar mass of aluminum ion means nothing but the 1 mole of aluminum ion. 1 mole of aluminum ion means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 aluminum ions. Therefore, 102 gram of aluminum oxide contains 2 multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 aluminum ions. We have to calculate the number of aluminum ions in 0.051 gram. So 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide contains X aluminum ions. To find out the value of X, we are going to do the cross multiplication. So 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 0.051 divided by 102. So the upper multiplication when we are doing in the numerator, we are getting the value 0.614 divided by 102. When we are doing this division, our answer is 0.006022 into 10 raised to 23. Now I am going to shift this decimal point after 6. So 1, 2 and 3 places I am moving to right hand side. When I am moving to right hand side 3 places, I have to write here 10 into minus 3. This is the exponent minus 3 because I am moving the decimal place or decimal point after 3 places. So our answer will become now 6.022 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to 23. Now exponent subtraction we will do. 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. So final answer, that is X is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 20 aluminum ions. Means 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 20 aluminum ions. This is our final answer. I hope student you understand how to solve the numerical problems based on mole concept. If you like watching my videos, please subscribe my channel. Comments are also invited and press bell icon to get new videos notice. Thank you for watching. Bye.